So guys, the first thing you need is garlic. We'll be using our garlic to make this tag removal cream, and you will need a grater. If you can pound your garlic or blend it, fine and good. But for me, I'm just going to grate the garlic so that we can have it in a semi-solid form. If you're new to my channel, you're most definitely welcome. Please do not make it your last. Subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up, share and comment below. The next item we'll be needing for this DIY is lime, and I'm just squeezing the lime, like massaging it so that I can easily get out the juice from the lime. So this is advisable so you don't struggle or spend too much time extracting the juice from the lime. And I'm going to cut my lime into half, and I'll be using the half portion of the lime. So I'll be squeezing out 1 teaspoon of the lime juice. I'll go ahead and mix the ingredients to incorporate the lime juice with the garlic paste. The next item I'll be introducing into this recipe is the Colgate toothpaste. So I'll be adding my Colgate toothpaste into this mixture and mixing everything together. So I'll quickly explain how this works. We have lime juice, we have garlic, and we have toothpaste in this mixture. And these are all ingredients that kind of have a burning sensation but do not cause irritation to the skin. So these ingredients helps to make the tag get softer and weak and will naturally fall off by itself while applying this remedy all the time. The next thing I'll be needing here is my Q-tips, or you can use cotton wool. This will just be for application. So I'm going to be applying this mixture, this remedy, on a birthmark I have on my arms, but this remedy is basically for removal of skin tag, but I do not have a skin tag on my arm, so I'm going to show you using that birthmark. So I have a maxing tape. You can use any type of tape you have as long as it doesn't cause irritation to your skin, and you're going to use this tape to cover up or max up the area where you have applied this. The idea of maxing up the skin tag is to reduce the amount of air that goes on it, so that the heat from the ingredients or from the mixture you have applied will penetrate into it and make it weaker and easy to fall off. If you follow these rules, you are ought to get that skin tag out of your body in 3 days. Please always prepare this remedy every day so that the heat from the ingredients incorporated will remain anew and very effective. So we've gotten to the end of this video. Please make sure you like it and try it out, and let me know in the comment section if it worked for you. Until next time, bye bye.